na yenhwe na afi yenye fana interview
Nana we without internet you better down but I'll try.
Okay.
Nana I'll try. Nana eno minya course bebre na nkesa me ye ne Saturday no. Ba fufu party intimate me anye. Nana no be busa me question the day ntina yes justice for Bafuboni. And may acting chief justice. Question me busa me answer ma no be say na Mahama wo kwan. So timi ye sake a chief justice ana. Na ni nyina constitution kan
the questions me near.
Na the question to me answer na say na justice for Bafuboni. Yes or no na may acting chief justice. E bi so oni nua any former owner of Radio Gold. Nana Beka Bafuboni Owuye, Ebisa Neyere, any Patricia Bafuboni, any director of prison service. Inti na man for Jane says, sir, on the NDC a young Kofano. Inti ni say chief justice. So that's what I'm trying to answer. No man for framing. Ebisu Busa say, does President Mahama have the right to suspend the chief justice? Nana, our right, no. Okay, Article 146 of our constitution. Nana almost say Article 146 yes, so I mean 1466 no say where a petition is for the removal of the chief justice, the president shall in consultation with the Council of State appoint a committee comprising of 2 justices of the Supreme Court, one of whom shall be appointed chairman by the president and 3 other persons who are not members of the Council of State nor members of Parliament. Now almost say will be the charge be the 2 president and him say chief justice no Ghana Mara Samso ye judiciary no wedi boni bia president ne council of state besusu omo establish prima facie na prima facie ne chese omunya nyina so sa asam na nipa ne de aba no nyina so bi wo masi ekomu mo a president na e wo 2 options nana eno no article 14610A and B nana say where a petition has been referred to a committee under this article the president may Nana inti hano uyu may anese a optional may in the case of the chief justice acting in accordance with the advice of the council of the by warrant signed by him suspend the chief justice and an article 14610A no Emma president Mahama ne president bi an ho kwan say ye de charge both chief justice say council of state susu hu ye nyanyina so bi o charge na e de abonu ne ye bete committee a yetimi ka the chief justice ni enyina nchen. It's an an president Mahama and constitutionally or kwan say woye. Nana B ebisa na justice Bafuboni na no news on picture bi etam ka say Facebook e mo ame. Na no mo share picture bi a wo sha. The 14 justices of the Supreme Court no most of them were appointed by President Akufo-Addo. Nana Beka President Akufo-Addo 2018 osake 3 justices. Nana Beka bebre so ko retirement. Now mo ko retirement a president or so no eyen hye so replace wom intenya se president Akufo-Addo ba no be fefa judges kan ho na wate ase obaye no na dodo na akọ retirement ena or replace wom na another answer ne say why should justice Paul Bafuboni be the act na no article 144 no or say when the office of chief justice is vacant so now my many are suspended so the office is vacant or where the chief justice is for any reason unable to perform the function of his office ebia yare bia tono ebia no hododo bibi nti otimi nya na adwuma se chief justice a until a person has been appointed to or assumed the function of or that office, or until the person holding that office has resumed the function of that office, as the case may be, those functions shall be performed by the most senior of the justices of the Supreme Court. In Kenya, President Mahama na appointed Justice Bafuboni say acting Chief Justice. The Constitution, Article 1446B, establishes to say Supreme Court Chief Justice in Iniwo say bia na ye yinedi bia yare bi nti otimi performing the duties as the Chief Justice the most senior justice our Supreme Court so no enanana obe act. So the question then is, who is the senior out of the 14 justices? Nana, on the 11th of June 2008 President Kufuor swore in 4 justices of the Supreme Court. Justice Rose Owusu, Nana Justice Enim Yeboah, Justice Doche, and Justice Paul Bafuboni. And an actual current justice in the Supreme Court, near when you pan and you watch your bench in the so. And then when you watch your bench in the Supreme Court, Justice Bafuboni. So per this constitutional provision, and Mahama and Akufo-Addo the air direct. atono the next senior no justice Poama no be busa say dey ntina committee na ya tene wo two justices of the Supreme Court and only article 146 na mekan man a constitutional imperative say there must be two justices of the Supreme Court and one must act as the chairman na wono me ne constitution nya dream bebre sa na because na janto me boss BBS yes na ya te committee se nhwo mu me na me hye wase no me na me da committee na no. Now I think the Professor H. Kwesi Prempoma an opportunity to do recommendation. So more madwin ko hoye. Na na ebi kura na be Chief Justice edi. Ana ebi ana me pemoni show na ye. Enti ebi asam ne kura de be ball no se nyinyina so a metimi apa nyanyina so bi. Entansa bi di abo na yi wedi se ne metimi abedi. Na another issue am wo on say do say the constitution in article 146 case na petition ni bibia no it must be held in camera. Say ade se ye na ye nya the public. Who read the reason? The reason is because the framework of the constitution felt that be a good justice no ho animase and a good court no animase. But na me dream say senka Council of State establish a prima facie ni nyanya so ni wie ni eti committee na at least ka one line be there omon kan kire Ghana for ni ntia because now if you are not careful the politicians will infiltrate the system. Na nema na ebeda wona be too hey because na so far there me no nim say ye nim petition ye wo mo poten ni atete ye sources any ade me dream say if the prima facie is established duly by the Council of State na at least answer na ebeti committee no statement na ebeba no ese Ghana fo hu ni ntia omu Chief Justice wo nko gira nchen. Two, my recommendations so say ye ka say two justices of the Supreme Court na ba kon chair sa process no na twetwe maso kakra because they will be analyzing or assessing their boss. And I am Ghana system ne kakra. Nti bia me menya ka retard bia justice of the Supreme Court atuguba mo sa na justice anim yebo justice for yakufo mo ma ba o ma che no. Aha ko mumu ba ko bi kesa consider de mo ba. I think say to answer. Na petition no. I confidently have two of them from my sources. Ozem kaza kesa me na Saturday moment me exclusive na court document. Police ni be ACP bia and an asha when Chief Justice will beef or call court or mu Chief Justice so Chief Justice Emma police detainee ni kakra na allegedly a crime bi otutu ye ne ba any ade. I have some document I'll share with you so in your time anana.
In 104.5 that's Eugene Osei Tutu